If you had two numbers to call, one charges you and the other one lets you call for free, which one would you choose? Obviously, the free one, right? That's exactly what a toll-free number is. It's a number where the company pays for the call instead of the customer. These numbers usually starts with 888, 800 and so on. Think of it like a friend paying the bill for your meal. Now you might ask, why would a business pay for customers' calls? Because when customers don't have to worry about call charges, they are more likely to ask questions, request support, inquire about products, which means more calls, more leads, more sales. Now let me show you how to get one for your business. Choose a toll-free provider like Calilio, sign up with your business details, select a plan and your preferred number. Pay and activate the number, set up features like call routing or IVR, test the number and you are ready to go. You can sign up to Calilio using the link in the description and get your toll-free number today.